Go ahead and open the VLC Media Player. Click on Media. Click on Convert and Save. Select your file. Click on Add. Now go ahead and select one or multiple videos you want to convert to MP3. So here's I'm selecting my video. Then clicking on Convert Save. In here, make sure to select Convert and then click on this profile drop down. In here, scroll down and find out audio MP3. Select this option and click on Browse next to destination file and select a folder or location where you want to export the MP3 file. I'm selecting desktop and here save as type. Make sure here selected MP3 and I'm just removing these MP4 from my file name. Clicking on Save and clicking on Start. And now once the convert process finish, here as you can see I've successfully converted my video to MP3 file.